Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And this is a really very short video update on my current work in progress process. So I'm working on a diamond painting kit from a Russian company, Mosfa. It's a very small kit, 30 by 40 centimeters. The name is My Princess. I haven't even finished half of it, but I'm already in love um, with how it is turning out. Again, 30 by 40 centimeters. It is a very small kit, but look at the detailization. That's what this company is famous for its detailization. It's a full square drill diamond painting kit, the mother and the daughter. You already can see the face of the daughter. I have some um, time to finish the mother. Um, I'm not there yet, but hopefully I will complete it maybe by the end of the next week and I will upload a video review. But look at the detailization, 40 by 50. I'm so impressed. Beautiful. I mean, I can see every single detail, every single wrinkle on the dress. I can see the pendant on the girl's neck. I can see the girl's face. Look at the hair, beautiful. They look so gorgeous, like so natural, so realistic. So this is the first thing that I wanted to show you, my work in progress. And the second thing that I wanted to show you is my daughter's completed kit. If you follow my channel, you remember me unboxing this very kit from TJ Maxx. I purchased it for $6. It was packaged as a book. The kit was here and there were the drills with the stylus. It contained 12 colors. It's a partial round drill diamond painting kit of a unicorn. So, as you can see, we did some customization to this kit. This is the original diamond painting, how it's supposed to look on the preview, and that's what she accomplished. So what we did, we replaced white color with ABs over here, and we replaced the colors on the drills on the horn with the sparklers, and I love how it turned out. The only thing that it looked way better before I sealed it. Unfortunately, I don't know if it was our fault because we exposed the adhesive to the air for a long time, and that is why it became weak, or it was not sticky from the very beginning, but the adhesive was terrible. I mean, I exposed this adhesive, this poured glue, to the air for a very long time, and it doesn't lose its stickiness. But this one, oh my god, it's just I couldn't even touch the drills; they started moving right away. So this sparkle was way more intense than what you see now, but after sealing, of course, the individual sparkle of the drill is gone. But I still like how it turned out. So just be aware that some of the kits from Crystal Creations have a very weak adhesive. I will try to keep my eye on this one. I have one more kit from them. My daughter is going to diamond paint it because as far as I remember, when I touched it, it was okay. But now at this point, I'm not sure. So I don't know if it, well, it's fine. So I don't know if it was originally weak or if, we messed up by leaving it for a long time with the, with the plastic cover off. I'm not sure. Okay, this is all for today. Just wanted to show you my work in progress and my daughter's completed kit. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.